The display can be removed with seat installed or removed. First, take off the back shell on the front seat backrest. Before removing the head restraint, remove the right circlip. On vehicles with neck pron, plug the yellow connector. On vehicles with neck pron, plug the yellow connector. Now you can completely remove the head restraint. Unhook the seat cover on the upper backrest frame. Next, loosen the monitor mounting bolts. After loosening the bolts, pull the monitor upwards. Take off the monitor's rear cover. Pull out the power supply and the data lines. Note, remove the fuses prior to pulling out the plugs. Now, detach the monitor from the front of the seat. If you are replacing the wiring harness, the connection point is under the seat.